Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create contacts in Keap and send Slack notification for ClickFunnels contact. Suppose you are using ClickFunnels as your online sales funnel platform and now you want that whenever a new contact is created in your ClickFunnels account, automatically by using the same response, a contact should also be created and added in your Keap account. And at last you also want to send a Slack notification to your team members informing about the same. So how you are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that you will have to build an integration between all these applications, and to do the same we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have ClickFunnels in our trigger, Keap and Slack in our action. So we will be connecting all of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically create a new contact in Keap as soon as a new contact is created in ClickFunnels, and also how can we send a Slack notification automatically for the same. Okay. So let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, in order to create the workflow, we have to come on our browser and then we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. When we do that, we will come on the landing page of this software. So here you can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. And if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. Okay. So because here I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly. Here we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And this will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. So let's click on it. And here a dialog boxes appear in front of us which is asking us two details. First is the name and the second is folder. Okay, so first of all we have to enter the name of this workflow. So let us give a name. So I have given the name to this workflow as create Keap contacts and send Slack notification for ClickFunnels contact. Okay, so I have given a basic name according to the objective of our workflow. You can give any name to your workflow according to your choice. Now the next is select folder. So here we have to select the folder in which we want to create the workflows. So I want to create this workflow in home. Okay, let's click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic concepts or the basic principles of this entire automation workflow. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action follows what the trigger says. So the trigger is very first step of every workflow and it initiates the entire workflow. Therefore, the action is the response towards the trigger. Okay, so let's understand trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. So let's suppose here we are going to take ClickFunnels in our trigger and Keap in our action, and we want that as soon as a new contact is created in ClickFunnels, automatically by using the response of that contact, a new contact should also be added in Keap. Okay, so let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select our trigger application, which is ClickFunnels. Let's select it. And now we will select our trigger event. And trigger event is the event on the happening of which this workflow should initiate. Okay, so I want that whenever a new contact will be created in ClickFunnels, which is our trigger application, then the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect and the workflow should initiate. Okay, so here we can find that as we have clicked on connect, a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. So by following these instructions, we have to connect our ClickFunnels account with Pabbly Connect. First of all, let's copy this webhook URL. And this webhook URL is going to act like a bridge in order to connect both these applications. Okay, so with the help of this webhook URL, the response is going to be captured from ClickFunnels to Pabbly Connect. Now when we have copied the URL, I will take you to my ClickFunnels account and I will tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So basically we have to go on the settings section from the left side. And here we can find the option of webhooks. So we can find that some webhook endpoints are already present over here for different workflows. Now to create a new endpoint, we will click on add new endpoint button. And here we have to enter the details. First of all, we have to enter the name for this webhook. So I am going to give a random name. Let's say new contacts. Now in this URL field, we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. After doing this, we have to select the event type. So here our event type will be contact created. Okay, because we want that whenever a new contact will be created in ClickFunnel, then the response should be captured in Pabbly Connect. So after selecting the event, let's click on Create Endpoint button. And our webhook endpoint is ready. Now let's go back on Pabbly Connect, and here it is showing waiting for webhook response, and it is written, now log into your application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission. Okay, so that the response should be captured here. So basically what we are supposed to do, we have to do a test submission. For that, we will have to create a new contact. Okay, so I have already created a funnel page in ClickFunnels through which we are going to get the response. Okay, so whenever the form will be submitted in that funnel page, the response of new contacts will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me take you to that funnel page. So this is the funnel page which I have created in ClickSend. Now in this page, I have a contact form by filling and submitting which we are going to receive the response. Okay. So here, whenever a new contact will fill this form with the details and submit this form, then automatically the response is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. So in order to do a test submission, I am going to enter dummy details in this form to show you how the response is captured. Okay. Now here I'm going to enter the first name as demo. Okay. Let's say, and let's say the last name is contact, demo contact, email demo97@pabblytudes.com, just a random email, and I'm going to enter a dummy phone number also. So after entering all the details, let's click on submit. And our form is submitted. Now let's go back on Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that yes, we have received the response. Okay, so by using this response, we are going to create a new contact in Infusionsoft by Keap. So let's select our action application as Infusionsoft by Keap, and now we will select our action event, which is create or update contact. Click on connect. And here from the given options, let's select add new connection to build a new and fresh connection with Keap. Click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keap. And here Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Infusionsoft by Keap account. Let's click on allow. And automatically our authorization is successful because I was already logged into my Keap account earlier. Therefore, building a connection between Keap and Pabbly Connect is so easy. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep login to your accounts before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, now here we have to enter the details of a contact. So first of all, let us enter the email. We have received all the details through ClickFunnels response. We are going to use the same data for mapping the details here also. So I am going to map the email by using my previous step like this, and here I will scroll down and we can find that email is given over here, so it is mapped. So because I have mapped the data instead of entering it manually, therefore now every time a new response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, automatically these fields will be replaced with the new details. Okay, but if you will enter this detail manually instead of mapping, then it will become static and it will not change with every new response. Therefore, whenever we want that data should change with every new response, there we have to use the step of mapping. But if we want that the data should remain static and it should not change, then we can type or enter the details manually. Okay, so here we have mapped the email. Now some of the fields are not mandatory, so I am ignoring it for now. You can add them according to your choice. I will directly come on first name. Okay, so I'm going to map the first name. It is given over here. Last name also. Company ID. So I want to enter the company ID as Pabbly, and phone numbers. So here in this field, we have to enter the phone extension. That is the code for our country. So here in India, we use country code as +91. I have entered it. Now because I have entered it manually, so this is static now. That means it is not going to change with every new response. If I had mapped it from my previous response, then it will be changed with every new response. Okay, so because I have not received the phone number along with the country code through my ClickFunnels response, so therefore I have entered it manually. You can also map it if you have received in response. Okay, now here we have to enter the phone number without the country code. So I have received the phone number without the country code here in response. I have mapped it, and I think this much detail is okay for creating a new contact. Let's click on save and send test request. And here we can find that we have received the response. Okay, so let's go and check whether a new contact is created in Keap or not. So we are on the contact section. Let's refresh this page once. And yes, we can find that a new contact with the name as demo contact and the same email is created over here just now. So this means our workflow is successful up till now. Now we will move forward, and now I want to send a notification on my Slack channel to inform my team about this contact. Okay, so again, let's go back on Pabbly Connect, and we will click on this plus sign to add one more action step here. Okay, and here in our action application, I'm going to select Slack. And in the action event, we will select send channel message as we want to send the notification. Click on connect. And from the given options, let's select add new connection. And now we have to click on connect with Slack. So here it is asking us for the token type. So we can enter the token type from the given options, either user or bot. Okay, so here I am going to enter the token type as bot. Click on save. And now Pabbly Connect is requesting us for the permission to access our Slack channel. So let's click on allow, and very easily automatically our authorization is successful and our Slack account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to enter the details. First of all, we have to select our channel in which we want to send the message. So for that, first let me take you to my Slack channel. So this is the channel which I have recently created. It is named as new contacts, and I want to send the notification for every new contacts which is created in Keap to this channel. Okay, so I'm going to select the same channel there in Pabbly Connect. Let's select it from the drop down, and we can find the option is given over here. Let's select it as new contacts. Now the next is message. So we have to enter the message which we want to send. Now here I'm going to enter the simple message as hello team, so I have entered a simple basic message. Hello team, this is to inform that a new contact is recently added with the details, name, email and contact. So here we are going to map the details for name, email and contact so that it could be changed with every new response, and every time a new contact will be created in Keap, automatically the message will be changed according to the details of that new contact. Okay, so let us map the name from our previous step. Here the name is given as demo, and let us also map the last name. Okay, email, we will map the email also. It is given over here, and at last the contact number. So this is the contact number. Done. So this is our message. In the same manner, you can enter your message whatever you want to send on your Slack channel. So you can even attach an image by adding the image URL with this message. So here currently I do not want to send any image to Slack channel, therefore I'm ignoring this field. Now the next is bot name. So the bot name is the name through which we are going to send the message. So I want that this should be my bot name, and every time a notification will be sent on Slack will be with the name of Pabbly. Okay, so you can select your own bot name, and you can even add a bot icon for your Slack channel by entering a URL of your bot icon. Okay, now after that, let's click on save and send test request. And we have received the response, and the response is in positive value. So let's go and check whether a new message is received on our Slack channel or not. And yes, we can find that a new message with all the same details is arrived here. Hello team, this is to inform that a new contact is recently added with the details, name, email and contact, and all the details of the contact are also added here. So this means our workflow is perfectly successful. Now let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So we have taken 3 simple steps here, trigger and 2 actions. In trigger, we have taken ClickFunnels, and in action, we have taken Infusionsoft by Keap and Slack. And we have connected all of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new contact will be created in ClickFunnels, automatically the response of that contact will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and by using that same response, a new contact will be created in Infusionsoft by Keap. And after that, a notification will also get sent on our Slack channel informing about the same. Okay, so this is the full workflow, and these are the steps which we have to follow in order to create this workflow by integrating all these applications. Now this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.